as I said, the earner project where we are able to onboard drivers into multiple gigs and actually do it, that project, part of it is actually going to happen in India and Bangalore.
When can we expect that to start?
Oh, it's already started. It's already work in progress. That's one of the reasons I'm here. As I said, we have three different layers. Right? Products, we need to build the products. We have different platforms that we are building, ranging from maps, payment systems, to marketplace, pricings, and all those things. And then we have infrastructure. Right? For all these things, we need different job functions, not just AI/ML, but starting with backend engineers and front-end engineers, application engineers, and AI/ML for pricing and modeling and so forth, right? And then infrastructure engineers. That's from engineering standpoint. Then we need product managers to be able to strategize the products that we are developing in different markets, like solving this driver experience system. They'll be able to strategize. And then we are hiring data scientists to be able to statistically model and deduce insights out of the data. And then we'll be hiring designers to be able to design the best products as well. And also program management, technical program management, all these aspects. So it will be across different functions as such. So all of them. Right now we are that way, set up that way.
Uber Bus, currently it's piloted in Delhi, right? And bus technology is not a very easy one to scale, right? So it takes some time. So currently the focus is piloted in Delhi, understand the customer needs, understand the requirements, and see how we can invest a lot on technology. Right? The focus is on technological way to solve the problem. Right? Focus a lot on technology. Figure out the right unit economics to make it scalable, and then you scale to other locations. So is scaling definitely our plan? Yes, but invest in technology so that we are ready for us to scale.
So answering the top three is hard because we are doing a lot of things. But I'll tell you this, right? One is the earner effort that I just talked to you about. We just came out of pandemic, right? During the pandemic time, we pivoted a lot to delivery, and then we improved our delivery, and then business grow really fast as such. But now, as we come out, both our businesses are growing fast. So getting our earners back on both of those platforms is one of our top priority. Right? Second is what we call scaling. We are doing multiple growth verticals across. Like Uber Bus is one thing they talked about. We're doing reservations right, across the world. How do you reserve when you get out of the airport? How do you reserve beforehand so that you have the right way to do it? So that's the other one. And if you go into the infrastructure side, deep into the infrastructure side, as you guys know, there is a lot of cloud and how much cloud has proliferated across. At Uber, we leverage multiple cloud technologies, not just one. Right? Doing hybrid cloud, and the scale of Uber actually needs different clouds to operate. So there's a lot of innovation that has to happen. I don't think many companies do that. Smaller companies, and they depend on just one cloud. And for us, we have to solve many problems to be able to operate in multiple.
Kind of work. See, the kind of work is very, very important. Right? There are a lot of, you can join a lot of companies, you can join a lot of startups where you build from 30% to 80% product. And that is an easy skill, and you have a lot more people who can do that 30% to 80%. Moving something which is 85% to 95%, that is a very hard skill. That means you really need to understand it. You really need to go depth, really understand why it is happening, right? And then optimize it. That is the kind of skill which very few people will have. And that is the kind of skill this country needs for a lot of companies to go really big. And that is the kind of opportunity that we provide.
My name is Jairam Aliyor. I am the Senior Director of Engineering for Core Services Engineering based in Hyderabad. I run global teams across India, Europe and US. And we are here today to talk about all the good work we are doing in India between Hyderabad and Bangalore locations, which are actually powering our growth across the globe. And as today we have reached a very important milestone of having 1,000 technology folks in our teams, which are actually contributing to the overall product development for Uber. And we are also super excited to say that we are going to be hiring another 500 technology folks by the end of this year. And that is the purpose of this meeting today.